Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we are back again with the easy peasy drawing series. Okay, so the first one we are making here is your okay, so now I know it's called mandala art, and I was not sure yesterday, but I'm sure now. So yeah, we are making that only. Now in that you have to do is draw your art piece and fill them with your desired designs, and that's called a mandala art. And yeah, so 1 2 3 and boom. So your colors are all there. You can fill them with your desired colors, your choice. And now moving on, I think we are making an ice cream here because yeah, I miss ice cream in winters the most because my mother never allows me to have it. But okay, if you guys can have it, please have it because ice cream is the major part of our lives, guys. Okay, so 1 2 3 and boom. So it's done. Now moving on, what we are making next is, okay, so I think we are making a cow here because something having horns and those big cute eyes only a cow can have. So yeah, you can fill the horns and the legs with your marker pens and done. Now you are waiting for, I know, the 1 2 3 countdown, so it's done. And done. Tada! And now moving on, what we are going to make next here is it a whale? Because yeah, it is a whale because you can actually tell it by the structure only. So yeah, it is a whale and you can fill it with your desired choice of design. We are just telling you how to draw it. And almost done. Now 1 2 3 and done. This is really looking nice. Now all you have to do is fill the colors and your colors are here. Okay. This one is looking really pretty. Okay, so we already made this green, what do you call it, mountain. Now all you have to do is draw it just the way we are drawing it here, not just part the sections here. And okay, fill the design with the way we are doing it, and almost done. So these are your cactus, and by my 1 2 3 your colors are all done. Now moving forward, what we are going to make the next here is, it looks like a frying pan and it is not, definitely not a frying pan because there's a bug inside. Yeah, how can this be a frying pan? So yeah, that was done. Now you take your favorite color of chart paper, I guess, because that's something really big, and with the help of your black markers, just draw it just the way we are doing it and put your this thing here, beetle here, and done. Moving on, the next thing what we are going to make here is, okay, I think it is a deer because see, it is a deer because those sparkling cute eyes, only a deer could be like having them and looking very cute. Now your countdown is here so that your colors will appear like boom. Okay, so I think and I hope that you'll really like that deer. Thank you for watching the video.